Please Jamal.
I see country. And
Kalau anak Cinderella. Rani, what this picture? What do you think about the picture?
Cinderella terus kancil. Itu kancil kan?
Okay, this picture is kancil. It's Cinderella. It's Red Riding Hood and it's Malinda.
Oh.
Okay. Have you ever learned what story when you were a child?
Yes.
What story?
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Yes.
Apa?
Story. Yes.
Well, okay. This picture is about a narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells a chronological story in the past. The story in the narrative text can be true story or an imaginary or fictional story. The story you say before is a type of narrative text.
Yeah.
This is the aims of narrative text. What do you feel when you hear about this story that you when you are a child? What do you feel, Anna?
Happy.
Moraes.
Apa?
Moraes.
Good job. Anna?
Elsa.
Mansur.
You are so happy.
Exciting.
Exciting. Yeah.
Yes.
So the aims of narrative text first is to entertain. When you hear about the story, read about the story of narrative text, you feel happy, sad, like you get the emotional about the story. Next is to teach. In narrative text, you must have a moral value. The moral value you can teach with moral value. For example, in Malinda, you have not this apa itu? Gak boleh durhaka gitu kan ya. The next is stimulate imagination. When you hear about the story, you can imagine the plot of the story. The next is generic structure. The first is orientation. Orientation is a who, when, where. Who is the character, when the story, and where the place of story. The next is complication. In complication, it consists of three, like a rising action, climax, and kayak ini ada tiga. Yang pertama itu rising action. Jadi di sini nih kayak konfliknya udah mau mulai. Selanjutnya ini saya lupa namanya, tapi di sini ceritanya ini sudah mulai memuncak. Terus yang terakhir saya juga lupa namanya, tapi saya cek and D. The last is reorientation. Reorientation usually like conclusion about the story or usually moral value of the story. Selanjutnya is language features. First is past tense, because the narrative text is tell about past event. So the first language feature is a past tense. For example, when, say, was, were, say, using verb dua. Contohnya dalam satu kalimat itu, contohnya ceritanya Malin Kundang, kayak once upon a time lived a widow named Mandenbaya, gitu kan ya. Berarti live di sini menggunakan verb dua karena tells about past events. The next is action verbs. Example: run, escape, fight, clap, climbing. The next is time connectors. Example: once upon a time, then, suddenly, after that, and finally. The next is descriptive language. The meaning of descriptive language is to describe character or place. Kayak adjective language. For example, beautiful, clever, giant, and dark forest. The next is direct and indirect speech. Example: help me, sold the boy. Biasanya ya kalau direct speech ditandai dengan quotation mark. Kalau ada quotation mark, berarti itu sudah masuk ke direct speech. Nice. The next is time. Narrative text consists of 7 types. The first type is folk tale. We usually say is cerita rakyat itu masuk ke folk tale. Example: Timun Mas, Malikanda, dan lain-lain. The next is fable. Fable is animal or the characters. Jadi karakternya ini animals yang bisa berubah sebagai manusia seperti itu. Example: the tortoise and the hare. Next is legend or legenda. Relate to the origin of a place. Example: the legend of Mantangbantara. Next is fairy tales. Consists magic or wonder. Example: Cinderella, Snow White. The next is mythic stories about gods or supernatural powers. The next is science fiction stories about the future, technology, and outer space. The last is adventure story, focused on the adventure of the characters. The last is main idea in narrative text. It is the main idea or point discussion in a paragraph or text. The main idea is often found at the beginning, middle, and or end of a paragraph, but sometimes it must be inferred from the overall context. Jadi main idea ini adalah point discussion yang biasanya itu ada di beginning, middle, and
Last.
end of a paragraph. Sometimes in narrative text, a main idea is must be inferred from the overall context. Jadi kayak kesimpulan dari sebuah teks tersebut. Nah, I have example the lost necklace. Rani, please read the first paragraph. The lost necklace. Kelihatan guys. Nah, first paragraph.
Once upon a time, in a small village near the forest, there lived a kind girl named Lila. She lived with her grandmother, who always told her to be careful in the woods. Lila loved a beautiful necklace that her grandmother had given her on her birthday.
Okay. The next paragraph is Okay, Anna, please.
One morning, Lila went to the forest to pick some flowers. While she was running happily, her leg slipped from her neck without her realizing it. When she reached home, she touched her neck and got the spit.
Next, understood. Next, okay, forest.
Grandma, my necklace is gone, she cried. Her grandmother looked worried. She told Lila, tell me that they should look for it together in the forest.
Okay, next paragraph, Maratus, please.
When they went to the forest, Lila met a small squirrel. The squirrel asked, "Why do you look so sad?" Lila told the squirrel that she had lost her precious necklace. The squirrel nodded and said that he might know where it fell. He told her that apa itu? Ya Allah, he saw something shiny near
Shiny.
shiny near
The river earlier.
the river earlier.
Terus
Lanjut.
Lila.
Hakiki.
Lila quick.
Quickly.
Yes. Squirrel. Lila quickly followed the squirrel to the riverbank. There among the rocks, they found her necklace. She was happy. I found it. Thank you, little squirrel. The squirrel smiled. Later, Layla told her grandmother how the squirrel had helped her. Her grandmother said that kindness always brings happiness in return.
From the day on, Lila always remembered her grandmother advice and was more careful whenever she went into the forest. Okay. From the example, we analyze about the structure first. Okay, sorry. Where is the orientation?
Once upon a time.
The first paragraph.
Yeah.
Once upon a time.
Why you think the first paragraph is orientation? Funny dia. Why the first paragraph that your friends say is orientation?
Because it's identifying.
Okay.
Pengenalan grammar.
Okay. Good answer.
Introduce the character.
Please.
Yeah. Take time.
Yeah. Where is the complication? Honey. Okay, the complication is the second paragraph. Where on the morning, Lila went to the forest to pick some flowers. So in here, Lila ini pergi ke hutan, terus dia kehilangan necklace-nya seperti itu. Where is the resolution? The resolution is a third paragraph because kayak dia tuh ketemu sama squirrel. Squirrel ini tupai. Terus dia kan minta tolong ke tupai untuk mencarikan
Kalungnya.
kalungnya tersebut. Terus kan karena si Lila ini treat the squirrel good, jadi tupainya ini mau untuk membantu Lila mencari kalungnya. Dan akhirnya ditemukan. The last paragraph is bukan.
Orientation.
Nah, di sini kayak moral value-nya ini ada di the last paragraph. From the day, Lila must remember her grandmother advice and must be careful whenever she went into the forest. Kayak bisa dikatakan sebagai moral value-nya. Kayak what is type of this text? Masuk ke jenis teks naratif yang apa? Ya kan. This text masuk include the fable. Why? Because in here is squirrel. Kayak semi fable karena di sini kan the main character is Lila, but in here squirrel as an animal can speak like a human. Seperti itu. The next is menurut kalian nih teks tersebut menggunakan tense apa? Past tense.
Past tense.
Gitu. Bisa nggak kalian tunjukin ke saya direct speech-nya?
They live. Oh no.
She left.
Tandanya direct speech is quotation mark.
Grandma, my necklace is gone.
Why do you look so?
Okay, grandma, my necklace is gone. It's a direct speech. Any questions so far? Oh, itu main idea. Nah, please, what is the main idea in the first paragraph? This Lila lived with her grandmother and really loved the necklace she gave her. Jadi di sini kayak Lila ini tinggal sama neneknya. Terus dia tuh sangat suka ke necklace yang dikasih sama neneknya. Jadi kan saya bilang tadi kalau main idea itu tidak hanya ada di first, middle, or end of paragraph. Bisa jadi itu ada kesimpulan dari
Ceritanya.
paragraf tersebut. Nah, okay. I have. Please make a group. 3 group. Satu di depan. Ini grup pertama. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Demo.
Harus pulang ke dulu.
Kerja kan.
Ini. Oke. Jangan rembuk sama grupnya. Please take your phone. I think the time is enough. The time is enough.
ordered her mother around, but her mother worked hard to provide for them. And the next one, my friends will read. Therefore, on the way, the girl was unable to accommodate her mother and hold her son. The girl continued to treat her mother like servants. On her way, the girl continued to treat her mother badly. The seventh, her mother needed prayed to God, and the girl was forced to the last girl screamed for help, but it the moral value: respect your parents and don't be irrelevant or yeah, enough for us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The last is the second row. The boys.
Ya, ya. Gak ada jeda.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Iya langsung.
The type of this story is legend, language feature, past tense, like when discovered, transformed, and action verb, fall, snaked, rear, jump, board, prodded. Time conjunction: one day, suddenly, eventually. Descriptive adjective: beautiful girl, large fish, torrential rain. Direct speech: use of a fish. Moral value: the story of Toba Lake teaches the importance of keeping promise and keeping promises and keeping our word, as our words have a significant impact on others or others. The father's breathing of his out ultimately led to a major disaster, demonstrating that dysentery and anger can bring great harm. The story also emphasizes the importance of respecting family, especially a wife and children, so that the relationship remains harmonious and there are no regrets.
The next is main idea.
My idea of this text of Tabalek, the first paragraph is a young man in North Sumatra went fishing but caught nothing until the finally caught a large fish. And for the second paragraph, the idea of the second paragraph is the young man from the fish hole that it disappeared and turned into several gold coins. The idea of the third paragraph is the gold coins turned out to form a fish that transformed into a beautiful woman who asked to stay with the young man until they were married. And the idea for the fourth paragraph is they were blessed with a son, but one day the son ate his father's wife, causing his father to become angry and insult him. And the idea for the last paragraph is the mother was injured and returned to her origins as a fish. He writes a message quote that eventually from Mike Toba. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Yes, I have questionnaire. Just Faisal is absent today.
Yes.
Yes.
I think it's
Umam.
Where is Ampana? Okay.
Kau umam men, kan Alfa.
I think it's enough for this learn today. Thank you so much for your attention. And if you have question, can ask for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.